Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all keeping fine. I am Sokul Hemram. This video clip is part 5 of Computer Standard 5. My dear students, kindly open your computer book, chapter 1, page number 12. My dear students, today we shall learn about the language processor and utility software. First of all, I shall read out the chapter and you follow me. Language processor. All the software are created by writing programs in computer language. Some popular computer languages are Java, C and C++. You know that a computer understands only the machine language that consists of zeros and ones. So, the programs written in computer language other than machine language cannot be understood by a computer. To resolve this issue, a language processor helps in translating the programming language into machine language. Utility software. Utility software are used for performing a specific task that manage a computer, its devices or programs. These programs help in proper functioning of the computer system. Some utilities software are used to prevent virus attack. These software are called antivirus software. Quick Heal, Norton and AVG are some popular antivirus software. Apart from antivirus, there are other utility software like file management, backup, disk repair, security and network programs. Various kinds of utility programs can be purchased from licensed computer showrooms. You can also get some utility programs on the internet free of cost. Backup. This process is used for recovering data when some damage or accidental loss of data takes place. Sometimes when a hard disk fails, it results in loss of all the files stored in it. To avoid such a situation, you can keep your files on backup storage devices so that the original files remain restored in case such a failure takes place. You can use a CD, DVD or flash drive for storing your data. Compression. It is a process by which you can shrink files so that less disk space is used. Those files that have big size can be compressed before sending them as an email attachment. You cannot read these files directly, so they need to be decompressed to their actual form. My dear students, let us know more about language processor and utility software. Language processor. My dear students, we know software is created by writing programs in computer language, and some popular computer languages are Java, C and C++. But computer can understand only machine language, and that consists of zeros and ones. Computer programs are written in computer language. Computer can understand only machine language, not other language. To resolve this issue, a language processor helps in translating the programming language into machine language. Then utility software. My dear students, utility software is used for performing a specific task and that manages computer and its devices or programs. This software helps to proper functioning of computer system. There are some utility software that prevent or avoid the virus attack, and these software are called antivirus software. Quick Heal, Norton and AVG are some antivirus software. Then backup. My dear students, sometime computer be damaged or accidental loss of data takes place. So sometime when hard disk fails to store data in it, and result is in loss of all the files. To avoid such a situation, backup storage devices are used to recover files or data. CD, DVD or flash drive are some backup storage devices. Then compression. My dear students, compression is a process to make files smaller or decrease the file's size. So it takes less disk space. My dear students, suppose you want to send a big size file, an email attachment, and before sending a file can be compressed, but compressed file directly cannot read, so it needs to be decompressed to its actual form. My dear students, kindly write down the following notes in your notebook. Language processor. Computer language is used to write programs. Java, C and C++ are popular computer languages. Computer understands only machine language. A language processor translates the programming language into machine language. Utility software. Utility software helps in proper functioning of the computer system. Some utility software are used to prevent virus attack. Quick Heal, Norton and AVG are some utility software. Utility software are also called antivirus software. My dear students, we continue the following chapter in part 6 video.